Okay.
Yeah!
Oh.
That
Okay.
was reverse.
Put them back in the box. Put them back in the box.
Let's reverse the knocking down into the stacking.
You do that with the video, buddy. You don't do it that way.
Let's do that with the video.
All right, put them in the box. Put them back in the box. They don't go in like that. They need to be put in side by side, nicely, like this. Hey, side by side, over and over, side by side, like that. These need to come back out, and they need to go back in side by side. Okay, can you do them all? Come on, stack them. Stack, stack, stack. There you go.
Can you stop and upload?
No, I'm still recording because you're going to finish putting them away first. And you'll close the box, and then we'll stop recording. And then upload.
You don't need to record this.
Yeah, we do. Emerson's cleaning up. That's a very important part. Keep on cleaning. Oh, I better take like 10 of those. OD on vitamin C. Too much vitamin.
Yeah, you know, I think in Denver International Airport has changed a little bit.
Yeah.
You know why?
Wow.
It says limited time parking.
Yeah.
It used to say no stopping anytime.
Oh, it still says no stopping there.
No, it says parking for a limited time.
Done!
That's not how you close it.
Done!
You close it like this. It's
Done!
slide in.
Done!
It needs to go in. Okay, can you be patient and do this right? Okay. Here we go. Slide it in. Slide it. There you go. Now we're done.